Tell us your name.
My name is Nicodimos Desali.
What do you like about the campus ministry, and how has joining it helped you?
So this is actually my first day on the campus ministry, but joining today and experiencing everybody, like just the community that you guys have, and the lessons that was taught today was very valuable to me. It felt like it spoke to me in a way, and I'm glad that I came today. So
Okay. Have you heard about the General Assembly coming up in July? If so, did you register?
yeah, I did hear about it today. The one with assembly in July, and I am going to register for it.
Okay, perfect. What are you looking forward to in the assembly?
So I'm looking forward to hearing more about the entire campus ministry program. And I'm looking forward to meeting new people and building my faith even stronger.
What's your name? Ruth. What do you like about the campus ministry, and how has joining it helped you?
It's helped me with my spiritual life and get more connected with people like that are gonna benefit me. Like your friends are the influence or whatever. So I think it's really nice, and it helps me grow in my spiritual life.
Okay, perfect. Have you heard about the General Assembly coming up in July? If so, did you register?
Yes, I heard it and I did register.
Tell us your name.
Blaine.
What do you like about the campus ministry, and how has joining it helped you?
I'm trying to be more close to my spiritual and God. So it helped me with a lot of me connecting with God.
Okay, nice. Have you heard about the General Assembly coming up in July?
Yes, I did hear about the General Assembly.
What are you looking forward to in the assembly?
In God plan, if I attend the assembly, I'm planning on meeting new people and then getting some different perspective when it comes to being Orthodox and being an Orthodox person in college and but also in America.